Hey guys, today I want to give you some tips on how to install wheel well inserts into a 2020 Chevrolet. First step you need to do is throw away the instructions. Don't need them. Alright, next thing is if you have factory installed mud flaps, you need to remove the screws out of the mud flaps on the front and rear and remove those. We will reinstall them after we do the wheel well insert. You'll notice that on the wheel well inserts there's two holes, and on each one there's only a clip on the outside. So when doing your mud flaps, you only need to remove the screw that's here and not that one. And then on the inside, you need to remove the retaining clip. And then the same thing in the back. The back clip is a different style that has to be removed with a screwdriver or pliers and pulled through the front. Once that's done, your kit included these small retaining clips, and each one just needs to be popped into these square holes. There's many of them along the entire wheel well. After you install your clips, you're going to fit your wheel well insert into the wheel well, and make sure that you have 3 of the body frame screws coming through the insert. You're going to use this retaining clip on the center one and these nuts on the front and back one. So after that, you're going to take these screws and you're going to put them in everywhere that you place one of those retaining clips. After that, you're going to add your screws to your front mud flap and then reinstall your rear mud flap. Make sure that your inside screw is going to go through the mud flap, the frame, and then into the clip inside the wheel well insert. Once you got your mud flaps installed back in, then you are finished and complete with your wheel well inserts.